Welcome to Dubai, and you know everything is luxury here, and this is our luxury one bedroom suite, and let's go, I'm gonna show you around. So this is the Hyatt Regency Greek Heights, and this room costs $300 per night, and here we have one bedroom suite with 1.5 bathroom. Worth it? Let's check. So this is the living room. At living room we have this couch, we have work desk, we have mini bar, we have TV, and also we have this coffee table, and this is the guest restroom. We have sink and toilet. So and now let's go, I'm gonna show you the master bedroom. So here you go, this is our master bedroom with two windows. We have second TV here, also we have this TV nook, and we have huge king bed. So here in the hall between master bedroom and bathroom we have 4-section closet. It's giant, huge, and I love this one. So here in the bathroom we have panoramic window with bathtub, we have toilet, we have bidet, we have shower, and this bathroom is very European style. In Dubai, even the parking lot has air conditioning. Cool. It's a local, almost local. Oh wow, it's super strong. And by the way, we are in a local restaurant with fountain view and Burj Khalifa, and this fountain view inspired by Bellagio, so it's almost like Las Vegas. Yeah, I'm sitting in Dubai Mall. I have some coffee for you from desert. So and now let's check the dusty places, and let's start from this couch. Gosh. This table is wobbling. It's not a pull-out couch. If you're here with kids, you don't have space for kids. So here a little bit dirty. It's not dusty, but it has a lot of trash. Oh, look. It's a white couch, but it's so dirty. And now let's check this TV nook. Here is clean. Yeah, TV nook is clean. Let me turn on this light. Yeah, the light is very complicated. So light is a mystery here. Maybe we have some ghosts here. Look, we have long hair on a chair. And now let's check TV. TV is clean. And here is clean. Oh, look at this mini bar. Oh wow. It's totally without any sensor. Yeah, I love it. And here, yeah, it's no sensor. So no sensor and no fridge here, but we have minibar. The restroom is clean, but no toilet paper, but you have some water here and here, but it's not like for your face. You know, here a lot of work for me because like it's a one bedroom suite. So let's check the cleanliness of the master bedroom because this is the most important part. So let's start from nightstand and moving around. Oh wow, it's perfect clean. No dust at all. Everything is clean in the master bedroom. And here is clean. Oh. I love these blinds. We have like full wall here. By the way, these blinds are clean. And the main test, yellow stain test. Let's check. The mattress is clean. Where is pool here? By the way, we have two options for privacy. We have this door tag and a techie privacy control. So the common grounds are beautiful, especially this pool. It's small but good enough, and look at this lobby. It's beautiful.
Do you want to buy an apartment here? Why?
It's a desert. Good morning. I wake up at 6. I mean, like, kind of wake up because like we have difference like 12 hours here in Dubai with US in Los Angeles. So let's do some coffee, and here we have special coffee. Let's go. instant coffee my favorite. So here in the gym we have this panoramic window. It's like coolest part of this, like.
So, today we're at Expo 2020 in Dubai. It's very special when it's like the Olympics but for countries, and let's explore what we have here. This is Saudi Arabia.
Track of way more information than the human brain, and it can spot patterns that people might miss. AI enables new ways to work with the world around us. Our physical world and digital world are closely linked together, each changing the other every moment of every day.
Yeah, I've been to every single country here. So overall we have good stay, and this Hyatt Regency more like a business. It's not far from airport, and also it's not far from downtown, so location is perfect, bed is good, and this one bedroom suite large enough for whole family. And yeah, we have good stay here, and if you like our video, subscribe to our channel and see you next video. Bye bye.